Okay, now we're getting ready to change the fuse out. One of the most important things is, well, the most important thing is before you start is to make sure that you take this main power, which is the top one, and make sure it's switched off. Make sure you want to kill all the power to the house before you even take the board off or anything. Kill the power and just basically switch this off, and then it'll keep you from having to deal with the electricity. All right? Okay. You have to take the box off, basic panel box. Take the box off. Now we're getting ready to, we're snapping the old fuse out. It's one screw attached to screw to that wire. Unattach it and attach it to the new screw, new fuse, and put the new fuse back in. Well, the reason we did this is that it was a 20 amp and we needed more, so we bumped it up to 30 amp, which is pretty safe. You don't want to go too far up, but I think 10 amps should be good. So we're going to go ahead and bump it up 10 more amps. We're going to make sure we got it in there properly. And we'll have a 30 amp fuse. One of the things that was happening was the refrigerator wasn't getting enough juice. Neither was the lights outside, so we decided we're going to see if this will do the trick. Okay?